All right, we just received a small order of blade yokes from Andis. What's a blade yoke? Well, Wahl calls them cam followers, and Babyliss calls them blade cushions. But this is the little piece that goes in between the motor and your blade. And after a while, that yoke wears out, particularly on your master clippers. They wear out really quickly, and your clipper gets loud. So we're going to do a quick yoke replacement on this Andis Master. I'll show you how to do it so that this may solve the volume problem if your Master's too loud. So we remove, now they do have instructions on how to replace the yoke, and the first thing is turn the clipper off. So there's good advice right there. Take out the new yoke, and we have to pop out the old yoke. And I found the best way to do this is it's just pressure fit in the cutter blade. So what I do is I get a, this is a Robertson, this is a green Robertson. I find that it fits in, that's the type of screwdriver, Robertson screwdriver. Fits into that little pressure fit there, and then I give it a good push and it pops out. Flipped it over to the other side, I give it a good push and out it pops. And then for some reason the new yokes pop in really easily. So just give it a little push and in it goes. Simple as that. Got your new yoke, and then you drop it on top of the springs there, push it back in to the drive. You can clean the blade out too, of course. Get all those hairs out of there. And then just drop the screws back in. Ding, ding, ding. Quiet.